Math Lesson 1. Order of operations. BODMAS made easy. If math feels confusing, this will fix it. Today you're learning how to solve expressions the correct way. BODMAS stands for brackets, orders, powers and roots, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. You must solve in this order, not left to right randomly. Example 1. 8 plus 2 times 3. Step 1. Multiplication first. 2 times 3 equals 6. Step 2. ADD. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Final answer. 14. Example 2. 5 plus 3 times 2. Step 1. Brackets first. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Step 2. Multiply. 8 times 2 equals 16. Final answer. 16. If you don't follow the order, you get the wrong answer. Math is not hard. It's just rules. Classwork. Solve this. 12 divided by 3 plus 4, 2. Comment your answer below. Homework. Solve these and submit in Google Classroom. 6 plus 4, 5. 10, 2. Times 3. 18 divided by 3 plus 7. Classroom code. 42xg. Subscribe to TreasureAdaVoice for more math lessons, classwork, homework and shoutouts. Smart students follow the steps. You've got this.